Yep.
Yeah.
All right.
Mine's gonna be simple. I would like the cheeseburger.
Okay.
With lettuce, tomato, and extra mayonnaise. Oops.
Okay.
And small fries.
All right.
And if possible, if you have ranch, can I get that on the side?
All right.
Jess?
I'm gonna have the chicken fingers basket.
Okay.
And I'll just have plain cheeseburger. That's it, nothing else.
All right. And how do you guys want them cooked?
Mine's medium well.
Yeah, medium well too. Not burnt, not,
And
as long as it's cooked.
A
Yeah.
hint of pink in there. I'm good. Just want
Yeah,
it raw.
just, yeah. I don't want it dead, but you know.
Yeah.
So
As long as it's not
Barely breathing.
rare.
Yeah. American cheddar, Swiss, or pepper jack.
American for me.
American's fine.
All right. Perfect. Thank
That's
you guys.
white American.
That guy's
Is
checking
it
you
white
out over
American?
No, it's
Do you know him?